Unlock the power of clear spreadsheet design by mastering the art of adding borders in Excel. Are your spreadsheets a chaotic jumble of numbers and text? Borders are your secret weapon to transform them into beautifully organized and easy-to-understand documents. Let's dive right in. First, select the cells or the entire range you want to apply borders to. You can click and drag with your mouse. Once your data is selected, head over to the Home tab on the ribbon. Within the Home tab, locate the font group here. You'll find a small square icon with a few lines radiating from it. This is your Borders button. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with various border options. For starters, the All Borders option is fantastic for creating a grid that clearly separates every single selected cell. See how instantly that makes everything so much easier to read. Now, what if you only need a border on the bottom of a row, or perhaps a thicker line to separate sections? You can choose specific borders like bottom border to add a single line only at the bottom of your selection. This is perfect for subtotals or section breaks. For more advanced customization, click on More Borders at the bottom of the dropdown. This opens up the borders and shading dialog box. Here's where the magic really happens. You can select from a wide array of line styles from solid to dashed, and even double lines. You can also choose the color of your borders to match your theme or to draw extra attention. And don't forget thickness. You have options to make your borders thin, medium, or even quite thick. Once you've made your selections, simply click OK to apply. You can even preview your border choices on the left side of this dialog box before committing. Experiment with different combinations to create visually appealing and highly organized spreadsheets that make your data pop. Mastering borders is a simple yet powerful way to improve your spreadsheet design. Give it a try and transform your data analysis experience.